GMABooster. This small program, just over 1 megabyte in size, allows you, according to the developer, to overclock any Intel GMA-based graphics chip without significantly affecting power consumption. Currently, Intel GMA, GSE, and Intel GMA and GU express all graphics chips that are mainly used in netbooks and notebooks. On the left is a 3-mark result obtained on an MSI Wind with an Intel Atom processor clocked at 2 GHz and the standard frequency 166 Ms for the Gamma chip. On the right is the score of the same netbook, but with a chip clock speed of 400 Ms. The inventor of the GMABooster says that Intel's low-voltage 945 GMA GSE chips can run at 400 Ms instead of 133 or 166 Ms without increasing voltage. This should give more than twice the performance boost in graphics tasks. Subscribe to the channel and like it. Have a nice day.